Welcome back to another story reading session. And today I am going to read a short story titled The Tale Tale. And this is a story about a small deer. You can see in the picture on the left. Dinny Deer did not like her tail. She thought she would be happy if she had a fox's tail. But then she realized that a fox's tail is too bushy for a deer. Dinny then wished she had a cow's tail. But then she realized that a cow's tail is too long for a deer. Dinny then wished, what if I had the beautiful tail of a zebra? But then Dinny realized that a zebra's tail is only black and white. It wouldn't suit her at all. Dinny was disappointed. See, you can look at the picture. She's sad, right? She's disappointed. She thought for a while, what other tail could she choose? What if she had a rooster's tail? But then she realized a rooster's tail is too colorful for a deer. Perhaps she should have a crocodile's tail. What do you think happens next? But then she realized that a crocodile's tail would look very silly on a deer. Can you imagine a small deer with a crocodile's tail? It would look funny, right? So Dinny, the cute little deer, decided that a short tail like the ones other deer had was the best one for her. Don't you think so too? Thank you. The story is taken from Magic Pot, and I hope you enjoyed reading this story with me.